Hello, in this video I wanted to discuss the agency billing type, agency bill paid in full. This billing type is used when you are billing your insured for the total premium. I'm in my client 123 Go and I'm in my policy details screen. So top navigational menu, you will see billing and then endorsement fees taxes. When you select that, it's going to bring you to this area. Now, we're going to add a fee to this and show you how this functions. So you'll always want to go to the left of the premium line, whether it be initial base premium, renewal premium, positive endorsement, negative endorsement, cancel, for example. I'm going to actions and edit endorsement/fee. The billing type I'm selecting is obviously agency bill paid in full. And I've added the premium, the surplus lines tax, and a stamp fee. Each time I added those, you're always going to add at the top, add item, fee/tax, and let's add one more, and let's make this an inspection fee. And then I'll put the amount here. Now, you'll also, from the top line to the right of the premium, you'll see combine all receivables and payables. What that means is, do I want to create a receivable and a payable for each premium and non-premium to obtain an itemized invoice? Or in this transaction, I'm going to say collect all receivables and payables, meaning it's going to create one receivable to invoice your client and one payable to show that you moved the funds to where it needs to be. So to the right of the premium line, I'm going to select Generate Transaction. You'll see it opens up both agency and agent commission tracking. And then here I have a receivable to invoice my client and a payable to create an issue payment to send the money onto the MGA likely. So once this is completed, in the bottom left, you're going to see Save, and I'm going to select Save and create Invoice for Receivable. It's going to give you a pop-up indicating that the endorsement's been successfully saved. And then here in Documents and Invoices, now we have an invoice that we can bill our client for. If you want a remittance, I'm just going to go back to list. And then I'm going to edit, go to actions and edit. And then in the bottom left, I can say show remittance. I can bill the insured's main location, the insured's other location, like a billing, other contact, like an additional interest party, like a mortgagee. An agent would only be used if you are writing a policy, in cooperation with another agency and you are sharing commissions. So in the bottom left, I'm going to save. The next part of this is documents and issue payments. Going to the right of the issue payment and add new. It's going to open up my document. I'm going to pay the MGA. It pulls in my policy and I can pull in my payable. And then in this step right here, I'm going to show that I'm going to retain my commission. And then this is complete. I don't need a remittance, so I'm going to uncheck that, and then I'm going to add. Now, the only thing left to do is to, record a payment that you received from your insured. You can send the invoice out with a merchant link. And then also, when I make this payment, and it not only records the payment that I sent money to where it needs to be, it also reconciles your agency commissions in that transaction. Okay, I hope this helped. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.